Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called mallox. So this mallox is a special ransomware type application that is able to damage the files. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm showing you what can happen because of this particular ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this mallox ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then you can clearly see that when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the mallox extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the desktop. It tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but believe me, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So don't pay the ransom. Don't ever waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it. Then the program will be in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button and then begin researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and delete all threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on your computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future from further possible ransomware or malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner for protecting your data. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware, but it will not recover your data. It does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect data from further ransomware attacks.